Some of our customers are concerned about security, particularly security vulnerabilities introduced by coding agents, or, for example, having to correct bugs or code perceived to be introduced by AI systems. So how do we prevent this?
I recognize that AI is not perfect. I think you'll be hard pressed to find anyone at Windsurf who claims any AI system on the planet is perfect. We know hallucinations exist. We know there's a possibility that training data is stale and contains pieces of vulnerabilities in it. So to build a robust mechanism for developing software alongside AI in these collaborative environments, you really do want to make sure you're supplementing your development practice with secure practices. Things like, how can I introduce application security scanning tools, right, for SAST or DAST? When it comes to specifically where I think that the future looks like for agentic software development and how we're making sure that things stay secure, there's also a question that's the opposite side of the coin, which is, what is the cost and risk of not adopting an AI tool such as Windsurf, or such as an extension that can help augment Windsurf, such as Codicy? And if you think that the velocity of software development is going to increase over time, probably the ability for vulnerabilities and exploitations to happen will also increase, which means that maybe old systems become more vulnerable because they're not being kept up to date, because they're not being maintained as efficiently. And so it becomes a thing where, how do we triage bugs efficiently? How can we get that time to remediation as minimal as possible? And if you're not using AI assistance in that workflow at some capacity, you're missing out on a large opportunity. So I think that it's a combination in some of, you're using AI to do what it understands.